the case rightly, but the bad news is it tied that decision to no more basic assumption other than that there must be some distinction between human and animals. The court doesn't say that it knows what that distinction is other than a reference to the use of language. The other bad news is that the case was heard in the first place, because this isn't the first case, nor will it be the last. Next, an even more troubling development in the media came on April the 8th, the Sunday edition of the New York Times, with a headline article by Jeff Sebo entitled, "Are Chimpanzees Persons?" Now note the shift of the language from human to person, because the law is largely focused upon persons. And if you can make an animal a person, you have just made animals on par with humans when it comes to standing before the court and the law. Sebo's identified as a clinical assistant professor of environmental studies and director of the Animal Studies master's degree program at New York University. He pulls no punches in the article. He speaks of the group known as the Non-Human Rights Project, which since 2013 has been working on behalf of two chimpanzees known as Kiko and Tommy, currently, we are told, being held in cages by their owners put in quotation marks, without the company of other chimpanzees. According to Sebo's article, the group is, quote, asking the courts to rule that Kiko and Tommy have the right to bodily liberty and to order their immediate release into a sanctuary where they can live out the rest of their lives with other chimpanzees, end quote. Now, we had noted that a New York state court had already decided to move ahead, recognizing that the chimpanzees had standing, that is, to be recognized as persons in the court. But even as this case is now proceeding, you understand why it is important that a newspaper like the New York Times will run an article of this size in which the argument that chimpanzees are persons would be presented. Sebo gets right to the point. Quote, "The problem is that under current United States law, one is either a person or a thing. There is no third option. If you are a person, you have the capacity for rights, including the right to habeas corpus relief, which protects you from unlawful confinement. If you are a thing, you do not have the capacity for rights. And unfortunately," he wrote, "even though they are sensitive, intelligent, social beings, Kiko and Tommy are considered things under the law," end quote. Now, before you understand that as just a radical, crude oversimplification, understand the very real cost of deciding that animals, whether they be cows or giraffes or tigers or chimpanzees, are not things, but rather are persons. To get to the bottom line, persons should not eat other persons. They should not herd other persons.